Hello everyone, this is Adam with AJT Design. Today I've got an instruction video. This is for our Toyota steering wheel trim, and this video is specifically for the button inserts, how to install them and what they look like once they're installed. If you're looking for instructions on how to install these trim pieces onto your steering wheel, we have done that in a PDF document, and that is available on our website under the instructions page or under the product listing. This video is just for these button inserts. So these button inserts are required if your steering wheel does not have actual buttons on all four locations: here, 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 and here. So if your steering wheel happens to look like this, where you've got a button here, you've got a button here, you've got buttons here and here, then you do not need to purchase the button insert set. The button insert set is available separately. It's an extra item that you have to purchase if you need it. And if you're missing, Toyota made these in a bunch of different configurations, so most likely you're not going to be missing all four of these. You're probably only missing one, maybe two. But it's just available in a set, so you have to buy the set of four. There's not an option to just buy the one button you need. So that's the deal with that. So again, here I'm just going to show how to install these and what they look like once they're installed. So all four of these buttons are different, and all four of them have to go in a very specific way. So I'm going to start with the left-hand side. This is a Cavalry blue part, by the way. And if you look on the back of these buttons, you see there's an arrow and a letter. So this is the right-hand side. So we want to go grab this other one. See, this is the left-hand side. We need to flip it up so the arrow is up. And the tabs are slightly different on these. You can see there's kind of a short stubby tab and a long thin tab. The short stubby side always goes in first. So again, we've got the arrow facing up, and it's the left side. And we're going to put that stubby side in first. Like that. And it snaps in. And that's that. Go to the other side, same thing. Again, make sure you've got the right-hand side. The arrow is pointing up. The stubby side, which is on the outside, goes in first. Just like that. It snaps in. So those are the uppers. The lowers, it's pretty obvious which one goes where. The one on the right-hand side has that little cutout for the little bridge right there. So on this piece, again, you can see the stubby part is at the top. Again, we've got an arrow on this piece too, to avoid all confusion. So you put the top part in first. Make sure it's all the way in there. Oops. There it goes. Wasn't all the way in. Snaps in, looks just like that. And just to get a view of what these buttons look like once they're in. They're not completely flush, they do stick out just a little bit. It was kind of a necessary design configuration to get these to actually snap in. So that's what it's going to look like. Again, if you're on a black part, it'll be a little less conspicuous, but that's the right-hand side. The left-hand side's a little different. You've got the arrow. And the tabs look kind of the same, but you're going to want to put the top half in first. And this is the hardest one to get in. It does require a bit of force. If you just try to push down on it, it requires a ton of force. It feels like it's not going to go. Little trick is to kind of push up while you're pushing down, and then it'll snap in. And that's what that looks like. So just again, that's what these button covers look like once they're in. They're required if your steering wheel doesn't have 4 physical buttons. As always, with all these instruction videos, I will have a link to our website if you're interested in purchasing these products, as well as my email if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.